Good day, M4744. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, Madam and Sir. I'm Rosalind Cortas. I'm from Lubao, Batangas. I'm 36 years old. I'm happy marriage, blessed, three children, two boys and one girl. The age is 17 years old, 13 years old, and 7 years old.
And your educational attainment?
I'm high school graduate.
Okay. I saw that you have experience in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. What are your main duty and responsibility?
My main duty and responsibilities is taking care of the children, uh, house cleaning, ironing, washing, and gardening.
Okay. I saw that you don't have any experience taking care of a newborn baby, but it is okay to you to take care of a newborn baby?
Yes, sir.
Okay. How will you prepare a meal for a newborn baby?
First, I will wash my hands, and after that, I wash the bottle,
Okay.
and
After you wash the bottle,
I will need to boil, and then after
sterilize.
that sterilize. And
Okay.
after that, I put milk and water, and after that, I will shake the milk before I give the baby.
Okay. If the baby is crying, what will you do?
First, I check the diaper, and then I check the temperature. Maybe she will get sick, and
You can call the attention of your madam so that they can
Yes.
help you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Um, why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work. I want to work in Hong Kong for my better future in my children.
For the futures of your children
Yes, sir.
also. Okay. How long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I will work in Hong Kong until I finish my contract, and if he
If the employer wants you to stay with them, it is okay to you to stay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you know how to cook Chinese food?
No, sir, but I'm willing to learn.
And how will you learn to cook Chinese food?
I watch in the YouTube and the cookbook.
Cookbooks. Okay. It is okay to you to eat the food that the employer prepared for you.
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to share room with kids.
Yes, sir.
I saw that you have a long hair. It is okay to you to cut into short.
Yes, sir.
If the employer wants you to work on Sunday or in a holiday setup, it is okay for you.
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to take care of elderly, help them go to bed, help them go to shower, and also help them go to the hospital for checkups.
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to share jobs with other helper.
Yes, sir.
Okay, last question. What will be your message for your future employer?
For my future employer, if you hire me, I promise to you, I follow your rules. I will be honest to you. I treat you as my own family, and also I treat your children. Also, I will treat your children as my.
As your own children too?
Yes.
Okay. Can you promise that you will be honest,
Yes, sir.
trustworthy?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you very much, M4744, Rosaline G. Cortas.
Thank you, sir.